Are you finding it hard to retain your customers? Then this video is for you. So if you have been getting prospects, you have been converting them, but you are finding it hard to retain your customers, then chances are you have not provided the right customer experience for them. And in today's video, I'm going to share a few experiences, few tips with you that would help you to strengthen that. So number one is about gamifying the experience. Whether it's about your customer or anybody, for a prolonged period of time, they do get bored. So you need to bring in some experience that can gamify the whole process. They would feel energized to participate in your deliverables. You can bring in incentives, you can bring in rewards that can help them to be part of this process. Number two is about personalizing every experience. And this is something I actually learned from the head teacher of my kids' school. He would always greet every child with their name. He actually remembers every child's name. And he also speaks to every parent in a very positive and very personal way. So people do feel connected with him. They feel connected with the community. They feel connected with the school as well. So this is a great technique he actually showcased. And this is the same thing you need to implement it for your community. So people, they love, your members, they love when you call them by their name, when you use their experience, their journey to empower others. So people do like to be valued. Number three is about leveraging your members' generated content. With that, what I mean is encouraging them to share their value. That can become a great testimonial for you as well. And also they feel valued to be sharing about their transformation and their journey. Number four is about hosting live Q&A. Over the time period, if you're not showing in front of your community, then the chances are they don't feel that connection with you. In my community, every week I have a live Q&A and the exercise session with my community. And that's how they feel connected with me and I feel connected with them. And also it helps me to understand their journey and their progress as well. So this is one of the greatest techniques, to be conducting live Q&A and conducting polls as well, so that they feel valued and feel part of your community. Number five is about surprise and delight. People like to get surprise. So probably making handwritten notes for them or sharing something that is personalized that would help them to feel connected with them. I shared personalized bookmarks with my community, and I handed over more than 200 bookmarks by now. So there are different tools for shared on the bookmark, and that really helped them, and they feel valued to be accepting it, and I feel valued that it actually helped them. So these are some of the techniques that can help you to always feel connected with your community. So now let me know, which engagement strategy did you like the best, and what is the strategy you are following in your community? Do let me know, and I'll see you later.